How you doing, guys, and welcome to another episode. This episode is very simple. I'm just trying to show you guys the firing order and what to look for when you're changing your spark plugs, cables, and not really in how to. Just I'm trying to explain you all this. Okay, let's say you have a VTEC engine like mine, right? You're gonna see the numbers right here. So if you can see right here next to the exhaust, my vehicle has an F23A1. So if you have F23A1 or F23A4, cylinder 1 obviously is going to be this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The firing order is going to be 1, 3, 4, 2 because it's going clockwise. The rotor inside is going to go clockwise. So 1, 3, 4, 2 is the firing order. In my case, I have NGK cables, so they have numbers on it. So cylinder 1 is going to be the last one. It's going to be this cable right here, and it's on the top left corner, which is that one right here. The second cylinder, which is the number 2 cylinder, which is this one, is going to be on the bottom. And third cylinder, which is that one, is gonna be on top right hand side, and fourth cylinder, which is this one, is gonna be on the bottom. So that's the firing order in case that you need to replace your cables, in case that you need to replace your distributor, or in case that you need to do something in here or any maintenance that you're doing. That's the way that you're supposed to put the cables. And just to make a quick little video, guys, numbers, you're gonna see them right there, and then you're gonna know the way that you're supposed to put your cables. Obviously, I have a couple videos on how to do cables, rotor, distributor cap, spark plugs. I'm gonna put all those videos on the description of this one, and I just tried to make this quick little video to show you where you can find the numbers and show you the firing order of this engine. Make sure that you do the installation the right way, because probably your car is not gonna fire, or you're gonna have some issues if you don't set up the cables and the distributor cap and the rotor the right way. But I have some videos, like I said, for those topics, and I'm gonna put them in the description. So I hope you like this one, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.